I'm so hungry.
I know, there's nothing to eat here.
Yep, nothing to eat.
Mom!
We're really hungry. There's nothing to eat.
There's nothing to eat? What's all this? Steak?
Oh my gosh.
Udon, you like udon. Oh, look at all these leftover veggies in the fridge. We should just eat them.
Why are you throwing it at me?
Mom, a whole head of cabbage.
No, oh my god! Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna show you how to cook that. Let's go.
Can we just get takeout?
No. Today, I'm teaching my daughters how to cook.
Okay.
They're taking on my most viral recipe ever, stir-fry udon noodles. With zero cooking skills
I think that's a little too big.
and even shorter attention spans. What did I say about the shiitake mushrooms? Odds are they'll mess it up. They're gonna burn the garlic. But at least they're learning.
Look at us. Women in STEM.
Good, bad, or disastrous, judgment is coming. This is My Daughter's Cooked. You like udon, right, honey?
I like noodles. She's basically made of noodles.
Okay, so today we are making udon stir-fry noodle. The reason why I really love this recipe is that we always have something in our fridge that's left over at the end of the week, and I don't like food waste. So we're doing ribeye steak, and we have the shiitake mushrooms, green onions, Napa cabbage, carrots, garlic, and udon noodles. After I'm done, you're gonna make it yourself. We got this. Let's get started. The first step is garlic. Give it a good slam, like get your aggression out.
Oh, okay.
Write that down.
Oh, okay,
And
okay,
then
awesome.
You could just peel it off so easily.
Oh.
So we're just mincing the garlic. And then the shiitake mushrooms. We're just gonna cut the stems.
How many mushrooms?
I eyeball with my heart.
Eyeball with heart.
And then this is Napa cabbage. And you want it like big chunks because when you fry, it really shrinks. So the reason why we soak is because we want all the bugs and dirt to go down to the bottom. So
Protein.
This is a ribeye. Remove some of this fat and slice it kind of thick, so you want like some bites to it. It's gonna be a very quick marinade. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. It's actually for color. Black pepper. It has a little bite to it.
Bite the black pepper. Don't bite the black
I would love for you to take a bite of black pepper. Girls.
She wanted to bite.
We have our steak seasoned. We have the carrots cut, shiitake mushroom sliced, green onions, and now we're just gonna.
Can I go up? She's being distracting. She said she wanted a bite. I gave her a bite. So she would not continue the.
Yeah.
I paid attention. Oh, that was really good.
Come watch, girls. You see the water is not boiled, it's just hot. We just want to just soften up and separate. And while we're waiting for that, we could start on the steak. Heat the wok before you add the oil. We're really cooking the steak really fast. So you don't want to move around too much, give some space. When they're close together, they're gonna release moisture and then it'll start steaming instead of frying. You see how it's a little pink still? It's time to take it out. I like doing garlic on low heat to infuse oil with the garlic. See how there's like little chunks of brown? That is when we add onions. Onions take a long time to cook. This is a time where I usually take out my phone. Salt draws out a little bit of moisture too, and it'll help the onion cook a little bit faster. Next, shiitake, because that takes a little bit longer to cook. You want that char on the shiitake. See how it's white right here? We want it to be like a light brown. You stole a piece of steak?
It's so good.
What did I say about the shiitake mushrooms then? Next is the cabbage. We're going to add the carrots at the same time. Green onions, a little sesame oil. Sesame oil is a seasoning. We really shouldn't be cooking with sesame oil. That's why I'm going to turn down the heat low. Noodles. See, I got to move fast so now everything's cooking all at once. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, write that down.
I'm trying!
That was like 1.5 tablespoons.
Eyeball with heart.
Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, I think. Brown sugar. So remember, the heat is actually really on low now because we don't want to overcook everything. When you're cooking, you should always taste to see if it needs anything else.
Taste when you're done.
Doesn't that look good for just a weekend dump stir fry that we just found all these ingredients in our fridge?
Stir fry?
That's what I call it, my weekend dump stir fry. Sprinkle some black pepper. Taste it because we want to make sure that we have enough seasoning. And I always go light on my seasoning because what's the rule?
You can't take it out.
You can always add more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't put your chopsticks back in there.
Good? A little soy sauce.
Is it another step or are you just doing that?
You figure it out yourself. Okay?
Put more. I can't
Alright.
spell.
It's so balanced. You have your protein, you have your carbohydrates, and you have your fiber. I love adding chili oil to all my Asian dishes.
Yummy. I want a noodle.
Do you need help?
No.
Do you want different chopsticks? You're Asian. You should know how to use chopsticks.
And you should. Shh.
You did it!
Oh, come.
10 out of 10? All right.
No.
Mom. No, Mom.
Yeah, let's make it yourself.
We are gonna make this stir fry.
Okay, smash open garlic. She said
my feelings out.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it worked!
I'm scared for what my mom's gonna say about my cutting technique. I know she's watching right now.
They're gonna burn the garlic.
Okay, I cut the mushrooms up.
What's next?
Eyeball with heart.
What are we eyeballing with heart?
I don't know. Oh, cabbage! Do we need this part?
I'd say no.
I'm gonna soak, not rinse.
Cut the meat, big pieces.
I think that's a little too big.
I think it has personality.
No, I think cut them like half of that.
We're gonna season with our hearts. Oyster sauce is first.
And then dark soy sauce.
This is for the color, I think. Measure with your heart. Black pepper.
Did you wash your hands?
Nope. I'm gonna start mixing the meat.
I guess just dry these.
Put the frozen noodles in.
Shay! I think it needs more water.
It does need more.
Oh, it's like breaking apart. Okay, I'm gonna drain them.
Why did you make the pieces so big?
She told us to.
Okay, awesome. Please don't splash on me. It splashed on me.
Are you sure it needs to? I think it needs to be
Turn it down just a little bit.
Slow and steady wins the race.
No, that's for the other thing. This one's fast and go, go, go.
Spread them out.
That's what I'm doing. I think these are almost done. Wait, it actually looks pretty good.
Look at us. Woman in STEM. Need some more oil. Garlic. We're gonna mix the garlic low and slow. We're gonna add the onions.
Did it say all of them?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And now this is the long part where Mom goes on her phone.
She's on her phone. It's a required step.
Hi, Mom.
Why are you
I'm
lingering?
just getting a drink of water.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Onion.
Go back.
Turn heat up for a little brown. Add a little bit of salt. Add the mushrooms. Do you think it's ready now?
how do we know it's ready? How do we know the mushrooms are ready?
Okay.
Yeah, because the mushrooms are getting more brown.
Yep, Kiera said it.
Half of the cabbage.
I think it's enough. No, that's more than half.
Add the carrots at the same time.
Shay, you put too much cabbage. It's not gonna fit all in here. Hopefully it shrinks down.
It does shrink.
I'm putting in the green onions now. That's enough. It's enough slices.
We need more confidence in the kitchen. Just do it.
It's good to put some sesame oil in now.
This is for flavor.
Yes, it's not a cooking oil.
Yep. They're literally remembering everything I said.
Now I'm adding noodles.
I see so much water coming off of it, Shay.
Add soy sauce, some oyster sauce.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay.
You need more. Need more. This is very under-seasoned. Oh,
Oh, that's
a little bit more.
It's a big batch.
It's okay. Hopefully they remember to taste it and then add more seasoning later.
I'm gonna add some brown sugar. Now the meat.
Oh, awesome. There's meat juices coming out of it.
It's flavor. I'm gonna add some black pepper.
But it looks good. That looks actually really good.
That is it. We just taste it, remember? And then add stuff if it needs it.
Well, the meat needs to cook a little bit more.
Yeah, so just keep tossing and turning it.
The meat needs to cook a little bit more.
Does it need anything? Mm-hmm. What does it need?
soy sauce.
That's what Mom did too.
I know. Maybe more soy sauce.
I said more soy sauce because they were so light on it.
So, little soy sauce. That's good. It's really salty.
They should just add more oyster sauce and more soy sauce, but
That good?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the heat a little bit so that it just kind of
Mix it.
yeah.
looks good. Looks good. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing.
We have to add a little bit of kick, okay?
Okay.
Kick.
I am gonna do a taste test, but I think I need help judging.
You brought my friend?
We want your honest opinion. So a scale of 1 to 10, rate the dish. Okay? So you girls dig in.
Do you need a fork, Addie?
No. The steak is really good. I really like the steak.
The mushrooms are really good. It's different from what I usually eat, but I want to eat this more, you know?
So scale of 1 to 10, what did you think about the girls' udon stir-fry noodle?
I give it an 8 out of 10.
Oh, wow!
I also give it an 8 out of 10.
What about you, Mom?
Overall, taste-wise, it tastes great. The flavor is there. I can taste all the seasonings. It does need just a little bit more soy sauce, but other than that, the taste is great. The noodles are bouncy.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
Chewy and bouncy. The steak, I feel, is sliced a little bit too long. I feel needs to be seasoned a little bit more and a little bit more char because I think it was a little bit too close. So just cook it like on a higher heat and that's when you'll get that little char and take it out immediately.
Okay.
So my score though, a 7.5. So close. So close because
Average.
we really want to be able to eat all the ingredients together. And would you be able to do this with the steak?
No. That's what I told you.
I'm sorry.
You're like, no, they want big pieces.
I'm sorry.
But do you think they did a good job?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I'm proud of you guys. Okay.
Good job, girls. I want you guys to finish eating, and because Shay and Kiera cooked, and you guys are like my daughters, that means whoever cooks, other person cleans.
All right. We got
All right, enjoy.
Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry. We're gonna help you clean by eating it all.
Yes.
Okay.
Clean your dishes. Oh, okay. No. Just kidding.